Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about connecting more than one LED and making a dancing LED pattern in Arduino with Sudip chapter 3. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the circuit from the last chapter, and what we did was we used an Arduino to blink an LED at pin number D6. Now we'll just remove the wires. We need to add more LEDs for fun. So just copy and we'll paste. Where do we paste it? Maybe over here, and let's change the color to green. Okay. Okay, let's put this green LED over here. Let's paste another one, maybe in between, and let's change the color to yellow. Okay, so we have a red, a yellow, and a green LED. We'll just copy the same resistor in the same fashion, the same pattern, and okay, we're all set. Now let's set it up. All of them are going to use the same ground, so the ground is common for every LED or every electronic items that's attached to this Arduino, right? So what we'll do is, instead of connecting everyone over here, it starts to get jumbled up after we have lots of them, right? So instead of doing that, what we will do is we'll rather just put in this rail over here that is the negative power rail, and we are good to go. Now we just need one connection from the negative, any point over here, to either this ground or this ground. It doesn't matter. Alright. Now what about the positive? The positive is different for each of these. We are trying to connect. We are trying to manipulate these LEDs using various pins of the Arduino. So let's start with the red, and let's put this to 5, and the yellow one go to 6, and then the green one will go to 7. Now we have red connected to 5, yellow connected to 6, green connected to 7. It looks a bit confusing, but we should get used to it, I guess. Alright, now how do we code this? Let's go to code, and this is the blink program from the last time. Let's try to just run it once and see what happens. Okay, 6. Why is yellow blinking and not red? Because we have connected pin number 6 to yellow. That's why. Alright, stop the simulation, go back to code. Now instead of this, what we'll do is we'll try to go from the top. Okay, so we'll bring set pin 0 to high, and we'll change 0 to whichever pin number red is connected. That is, red is connected to number 5, so it's going to be the 5 code. So this is pin number 5. We'll set it to high, and what we'll do is we'll just blink them all. Okay, we'll just wait 1 second. Do the same with set pin 6 to high, and we'll wait 1 more second, and then we'll go to set pin 7 as high, which is the green pin, the last pin we have got, and we'll again set a delay. But now if you look at it, we are just turning everything on and nothing's going off. So we'll just check with the simulation, and yes, exactly what's happening is, we'll just do that once again. The red LED should turn on first, and then the yellow and the green. So we'll just start the simulation. Okay, as I said, so this is not the effect we want. So in order to blink all these LEDs in sequence, what we'll do is we'll rather just turn those LEDs off after every 1 second. So 5 is high, 1 second, and then the 5 has to turn off. Okay, so now, right, and the same with pin number 6 as well. So we'll do this again. Pin number 6 to low, and we'll wait 1 second, and let's just duplicate this. So these two blocks are duplicated, and we'll just set that to low. Okay, now let's look at our core. So pins 5 is turned on, waits 1 second, pin 5 is turned off, waits 1 second, pin 6 is turned on, waits 1 second, off, 7 is turned on, 1 second, 7 is turned off. Okay, now let's start the simulation and see what happens. Okay, red, yellow, green. Since we are in a forever loop again, red, yellow, green. Okay, very good. Now, in order to speed this up, let's put 100 milliseconds delay. That's 0.1 seconds. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Okay. Now let's start the simulation and let's check. Okay, I see. So we have it turning on and off, on and off, on and off. This is a kind of a pattern that we have created. We can create many different types of patterns, and we can create different delays over here. So this would be all for chapter number 3. In the next chapter, we'll learn about making a traffic light using Arduino in TinkerCAD. We'll do some designing as well. See you in the next chapter.